This is the best iPhone photo hack that I know of, and I've made a lot of these videos. This is the ChatGPT app. It's free. If you don't have it, just go to the App Store, type in ChatGPT, and it'll be the first listing, and open up ChatGPT. And what I want you to do is tap on this plus button at the bottom, and then you're going to pick a photo, or you can take one. I'm gonna pick this photo right here, and I'm gonna add the photo. Now the prompt, make it look like a dragon is coming up behind me and it's about to attack. And then tap on the up arrow here, and in no time, this is what it came up with. That is pretty awesome. And you can literally take your photo and put yourself anywhere, put any type of background, whatever you want to do, it's just up to your imagination. If you tap right here, you can send the photo or download it. Also, ChatGPT will learn from you. So if you like the photo, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down, and it'll get better each time. Hit that like and follow button and leave a comment down below and let me know. Did you know about this one?